finished product as I showed in my first video. Now we will be doing the skirt part in this section. So let's get started. I have already a yarn here, so I'm gonna continue with the same. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this one out and chain 1, 2, 3. I will continue doing chains 2 times. This is my 2. I will count the chains as 1 stitch. 2 and chain 1. Again, double crochet. Okay, once we are here like that, we'll not make any chains here and continue in each space. So I will attach my new yarn here because the other one is getting over and it's same color, and we will continue like that up to 3 to 4 in white colors or 7, 8 according to the height of the child. We'll continue making the stitches. The first one will have 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets again. So like 1, 2, chain 1, and we'll go with the next 1, 2. Continue without any chain, double crochet, and chain 1, 2 double crochets. So this row we have 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets all the way till the closing. And if you can see, it has some humps here. It will continue making that and it's gonna look very beautiful at the end. So I will see you at the end of this row. Okay, here we are, almost finishing up with this section. Only 2 more stitches. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, chain 1, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and again on the next row 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and 1 half double crochet and second. And here we are gonna close it. 1 second, there's some problem. Okay, and now we are closing it on top section of it. And then now I'll turn my work, or you can continue without turning also. Just keep the chain here. Now what we are gonna do, chain 1, we'll go with 1 more stitch here on this section, and 1, 2, 3, and this time we will do 3 double crochets. So 1 is already done as chain 2, and this is the third one. Then chain 1, again 3. This will give a beautiful increasing to the dress and till the length you want. Well, after 7 to 6 stitches of white color, I will check the size with the kid and continue with the next color. Let's see how many colors you will be making. Measure the height of the child according to that. Plan your colors. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and 1, 2, and 3. So we'll continue making like this, and our dress to the length of the height you want. Maybe I will go with the white color 6 rows or 7 rows, or maybe a little more according to height of the child. After 6 to 7 rows, I will measure if it's above her knee, and if I want till her knee, I will continue up to till her knee with the next colors. You can choose 2 colors, or you can choose 3 colors. You can choose the sleeve colors, or you can choose these colors from these ones, anything you like apart from white one. See you after the skirt is complete. Here is the final product, and it looks stunning And this skirt part looks so beautiful. And how many stitches I did is, it depends on the height of the child. My child is a little tall. I only made up to knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 white, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 rows of the stitches have been done, and a belt is going to be attached in the middle to make it more attractive, and this looks so beautiful. The dress is very beautiful and very pretty. Even make sleeveless. I only created the sleeves because the way I want it to be done with this one, and the length and height is for 5 years old and 4 years old. Depends on the kg and on the height of the child. Well, my little girl was a little chubby, so I had to make 4 rows, but it depends on the size and age of the child. It can be 2 rows, it can be 1 row, it can be 2 rows from the height or 1 row from the height, and continue with the skirt part. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching the tutorials, and if you like it, do comment me below and give a thumbs up so that we can make more designs of these beautiful clothes.